Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at WordPad. In lesson one, we'll look how we can open it, or we can actually copy the WordPad. So in lesson two, we're going to actually show you a more advanced where we can actually do it right here. But the first thing we're going to be looking at in lesson two is how to enter data into the WordPad. It's very important. It looks similar like Microsoft Word, but it's not Microsoft Word. So if you don't have Microsoft Office download on the computer, you can actually use this one here. Change the font size. Yes, I know you can change the font size in Microsoft Word. Insert photo in WordPad. Insert date and time. Right? Insert object right here. Find and replace feature right there and select all words. Right? So that's exactly what we're going to be actually doing. But in order for us to get the WordPad, how do we get the WordPad? We come right here. We click at this side right here. Notice you bring up this little dialog box and notice right here, this is selfish WordPad. So you're going to click on it. So when you click on it, this is how it looks like. Notice it have a similarity like Microsoft Word. The difference is that Microsoft Word have more tab up here and all of that. Right? So we're going to perform some tasks, right? So enter some data in it. All right, so I'm going to enter some data in it. So I'm going to put in something inside there. My name is John Brown. Good. Right. I can press enter and come down more just like that. Good. So this is our actually enter data. Right. So for the next thing, you're going to actually change what the font size. So the font size now, I'm gonna black it. Notice right up here. This is where it is. The font. We're gonna focus on this font. You can come right at this A and click. You notice it move, increase it. Like that, if I click it, you notice increase it. This is the A, you click on it, decrease. But if I come right here, let's click a pointer right here. You notice I can click on any one of these. You notice bring it up just like that. Yes. And I can actually come right here. I can change the color of it just the same. You notice. I can actually remove format. I can also come right here some bold it. I can italic it. I can underline it. Right, very important. The next thing you want to look at how to insert the photo right there in the WordPad. Alright, so let me press enter, go down. So insert photo, notice you come right here, picture. So this is slightly different from Microsoft Word. You click look a pointer right here. Notice this is a Word picture. You're gonna click. So this is gonna take me to my desktop. Right, so I want to just click right over here that I can actually locate some other photo right here. Right, I want to click on all photo, and then I come right down here and I click on open to see if I can actually get two photo right there. Alright, so this is the photo I want to click, and then I want to click on open right here. Right, there you go. Alright, so notice it actually on the page, quite big. I can double click on it. I can put the cursor right here at the edge. I can come like that and bring it right in just the same. Alright, let me bring it up. You notice, you can actually get it up just the same. Put the cursor here. Alright, so this is my photo so far. Alright, so the next thing that I wanted to do, the insert date and time. Yes, you're going to insert date and time. Alright, so if you come right here, notice the date and time, and press enter, I can put it on the bottom. Click on date and time. If you notice, this itself is the original time. If you wanted to change, but through that original time, I click right here. You notice, enter the date and time on the table. Alright, so we're going to look at the next one and see what it has to do. Alright, so insert an object. So I'm going to insert an object now. If you notice right up here, it's insert an object. I'm going to click. Then when I click, you notice you bring up all different type of stuff right here. Alright, so I'm going to click on this one by clicking OK right here. So notice right down here, it actually pull in that one. Alright, so what I wanted to do next, definitely, if you notice right here, showing that it actually come up in right here so far. So what I want to do is to go up right here. You notice it's a find and replace. Alright, so that's another feature. Right, if you notice this one still kind of still working. All right, let me go to the final replace. All right, if you notice right up here, it said replace feature. So I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on this replace feature now, I'm going to replace this word right here, brown. So I'm going to move it from brown and I'm going to put it to submit. You will see exactly how it works and how you can actually use that, because you can use it in Excel, you can use it in Microsoft Word, you can also use it in Google Doc, but this is Word, but we're going to actually use and see how we can actually move this section right away. Very important, right? So notice this up here says fine. Up here that says replace, right? So very critical right here. We're going to look right so far. Right, so we're going to click right here and replace feature right here. So when I click on it, this is it. But if I put the cursor upon it, I can actually move it, put it anywhere I want it. So right here, it's a find what, replace with. You notice a match all, word only, or match case. So right here, we're going to type in brown. Right, now find brown. No, let me correct that. So if you notice, replace it with. Alright, so we're going to replace it with submit. Right, and then if you notice right here to replace all, next, but I'm going to press replace. Why? Because it's only one word I'm replacing. So I'm going to click this right here, click it again, right here. If you notice right up here, shows a change to submit. So you can actually come right here and close it. Alright, so very important right there, all you did. Alright, so next one says select all words. So we're going to select all words. We can do that in Microsoft Word. Alright, if you notice right up here, I'll put the cursor right here. It says select all. If I come right this and I click, you notice it select everything, but move it, come like this. If I move it, select all, it's select everything. So this is exactly how you can actually use WordPad and all of that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.